Generate a project invoice from a quote. It is a general business practice to first generate a quotation for the proposed work and get a sign-off from the client. Once the quote is accepted, the same is converted to an invoice and the client makes the payment against the invoice. Our system incorporates a custom action that takes the selected quote and generates an invoice using the same details. This reduces the duplication of effort and chances of committing errors. To generate a project invoice from a quote, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to the project record from Projects List page and go to the Financials tab. 2. Click on Quotes. 3. Select the relevant project quote from the list. 4. Check all quote details to ensure an accurate invoice is created. 5. Click the Generate Invoice from Quote button. You can set invoicing date and payment due date. Then click OK. Upon completion, your project invoice will be generated. Click on the Invoices tab and review the newly created invoice to confirm the accuracy of the details. You have the flexibility to adjust editable fields on the invoice details page as needed. Access all project invoices conveniently under the Financials tab, specifically within Invoices. For a more in-depth understanding of quotes and invoices, refer to these tutorials from our Finance module.